Hey Google, lower the fan speed to level 2. Now, when you take your car into the car wash, there is a car wash mode in electric EX30. With my foot on the brake, as you can see, right? I'm gonna put my foot fully on the brake, put the actual gear upwards, and hold it. It's gonna put the gear in neutral. That's how you go into neutral mode. You commit to a full stop, foot on the brake, pull up and hold, it'll put it in neutral. Then you go to vehicle, right here, settings, controls, car modes, car wash, and then you click start. It will fold the mirrors for you and you're ready to go. All you have to do is pull down, put the car in drive. Once you're in the automatic car wash, right, like this, you want to commit to a full stop, pull the gear upwards, put the car in neutral, take your foot off the brake. Now the car is ready for a car wash. When you exit the car wash, right, you want to hit end, foot on the brake, pull the gear down and put it in drive mode. But while you're in the car wash, you don't need to do anything other than just sit for that next 2-3 minutes, get the car washed. Now for that noise, that's your notification sound for the sensors. You can turn it off from the screen by clicking mute. All right? Now it's muted. When I end the car wash mode, it'll bring everything back to normal. Also, you can exit this screen. You can't play YouTube because the car is in motion. You can play music by connecting your phone. You also have wireless Apple CarPlay. Full stop, pull down, and drive. Thank you. This was Maher at Volvo Cars Tacoma.